Uh-oh. Seers, part of the Blot's Blotling army.
Are they dangerous?
Well, they're not good company. Get ready to fight. Point the Wii remote at your target. Over friends, the cursor looks like this. Over opponents, it looks like this. You can fight blotlings in two ways. Hit them with thinner to thin them out. Hit them with paint to turn them friendly. They will stay friendly until hit with too much thinner. Many opponents are stunned when you jump on their heads. Each time an opponent hits you, you lose a health pip. Lose all your pips and you're done. The Seers are only one type of blotling. Other kinds of blotlings are far worse, but you'll see soon enough.